Hey everyone, my name's Russell Ghent. I'm a student at Mitchell Community College, and today we're here at zMax Dragway in Concord to race in the NHRA series. This is my 94 Camaro that I built along with my father, who's been a huge help. Yeah, my father's been a huge influence on what I've been able to do personally when it comes to mechanical stuff and machining and welding. I got my start learning from him, and then I started taking classes at Mitchell to get a better understanding of machining. Currently, I'm taking CNC machining courses and doing some 5-axis work, and it works great with doing this because a lot of what I've learned at Mitchell has helped me a lot to make my own parts for this car. I've made several parts that, every little thing helps in this kind of racing, and having that advantage to be able to do your own work and save your own money. We kind of do this on a fairly small budget comparatively. If you took a look around this place, you wouldn't believe how much money people spend. So it helps a lot having that advantage as well. And today we're kind of just waiting on some weather blowing over. It rained last night, so now we're kind of getting the car out. We got it ready. Now we're just waiting for our first qualifying run here pretty soon.